Hello friends, welcome to this class. In the previous lesson, we have proved that the type root 2, cube root of 6 are not rational numbers. Now what about 3 plus root 2? Is it a rational or irrational? It is a sum of a rational number and irrational number. So we'll prove what type of number is this. Let we assume that 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. Let 3 plus root 2 is equals to r, where r is a rational number. So, we transpose 3 this side, it becomes r minus 3. Now, what about r minus 3? R is a rational number and 3 is a rational number. And so, this is a rational number. It is a rational number. Because difference of two rational numbers is a rational number. Like 3 minus 2 is 1 is a rational number. Therefore, root 2 is equals to r minus 3 and it is a rational number. So, root 2 must be a rational number. But we know that root 2 is not a rational number. So, it is a contradiction. Contradiction means both the arguments are not same. So, it is a contradiction. Therefore, 3 plus root 2 is not a rational number. So, you can conclude that sum of a rational number and an irrational number is always an irrational number. The sum of each sum of two irrational numbers is always irrational? Let's see. Let 3 plus root 2 and 5 minus root 2 are two irrational numbers. So their sum 3 plus root 2 plus 5 minus root 2. So 3 plus root 2 plus 5 minus root 2 is equals to, now the root 2 and root 2 is cancelled. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. And 8 is a rational number. Let me set up another example. Let 3 plus root 2 and minus 3 minus root 2 plus root 2 are two irrational numbers. Now their sum 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, and this is now 3 and 3 cancel. It is coming 2 root 2, and which is an irrational number. So here we have seen sum of two irrational numbers is a rational number, and where we see sum of two irrational numbers is an irrational number. So sum of two irrational numbers is not always an irrational number. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.